नमस्कार मंडळी. मी आता इकडे एका पार्क मध्ये चालायला आलोय संध्याकाळचा. तर आपल्या इकडे कसं आपण पतंग उडवतो मकर संक्रांतला, तसं अमेरिकेत पण मला आता इकडे कोणीतरी पतंग उडवताना दिसलंय. अमेरिकन आहेत ते मनुष्य. आणि मला खरंच खूप त्याचं कुतूहल होतं की बाबा नक्की हे कसे उडवतात, काय उडवतात, मांजा कसा असतो यांचा, आणि काय पेज वगैरे लावतात की नाही हे. सो हे बघा, मी तुम्हाला दाखवतो. Hi.
Hi there.
So when did you start flying kites?
Oh, I've been since I was a kid, but I just haven't flown in them forever. So,
Where did you get this kite from?
Amazon,
How many dollars?
like
For $14, $15. And so do you come here often?
this has been up. This is the second time going up.
Oh, and how long
Just
do you
got it.
fly the kite?
Well, this is my second time trying to go around the whole lake, which is 2.2 miles.
Wow. And so do you have another kites that try to cut your kite?
No dueling kites.
No?
No kite fighting.
So there is no kite
I'm on
fighting?
an island here, so I'm the only one.
You're
In
the
5
only
years
one?
of being out here, I think I've seen 3 or 4 people flying kites.
Would you like to come to India and see the kite festival?
Absolutely.
Okay,
Without question.
because we have like so many 15-20 kites flying at the same time and they try to cut each other.
Well, this is me breaking back in, and I'm gonna, step it up, and then eventually, we have a Dragon Boat Festival here, so
Yeah.
I want to get one of those big dragon kites and
Perfect.
light it up. So,
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas. Nice to meet you, Thomas. मंडळी जाम मजा येते, खरं सांगतोय. खूप वर्षानंतर मी पतंग उडवली. अमेरिकेत पतंग उडवीन हे मला वाटलं नव्हतं, पण हे बघा, अमेरिकेच्या फ्लॅगचं पतंग उडवतोय मी. धन्यवाद.